Good morning, YouTube. Today is day 2. We are in Winchester, Virginia. We're in the Walmart parking lot. We just woke up. So far it's been uneventful. Might be like 45 degrees out, but this was packed last night. So we're getting ready to start our morning.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
So Heidi says that she may have messed up this morning because she said it's like 45 degrees. Well, when we woke up, it's 30 degrees. So we're heading out of Winchester, Virginia, and heading towards, where are we heading towards?
Virginia Beach.
Virginia Beach. Just pulling out of Walmart, which I slept like a rock, and we're getting to where we need to be. So we'll pick it up later. Well, we stopped at Cracker Barrel and got something to snack on. Had breakfast, and now Heidi said, well, maybe we should just go to Walmart because it's only 3/10 of a mile away. She goes, I can do some grocery shopping. Well, I told her, I said, listen, I think that's a great idea, but you need to hurry because it's there's some rain coming, and we're trying to avoid the rain. You can see here there's a pretty big system that's coming through, and they're talking about, gusty winds and all kinds of stuff once we get that stuff to start to hit us. So she kind of jogged into Walmart. I could have got a little closer. This Walmart here that we're at, it's the Ashland 145 Hill Carter Parkway. And even though I see some trucks, some tractor trailers here, it is in the day. It says no overnight parking. There's signs that say no overnight parking, even for the anything, motorhomes or trucks, or I should say RVs. So I don't know if they actually allow it. So just be aware. But it is a nice area. This whole area is pretty nice. So we're going to wait for Heidi to come back and then take off. And I'm going to have to speed it up a little bit, beat that rain.
Do not change lanes. Follow directions.
So we made it, and we just beat the rain. Not too bad, but Heidi's fixing dinner, so I'm going to let her go. She wanted to say we made it.
We made it, and it's raining.
So where are we at?
First Landing State Park, Virginia Beach, Virginia.
Yeah, and the weather is roughly...
It was 57 when we got there.
Yeah. It doesn't seem like it's that far south, but apparently it's enough and it's close to the ocean. So she's going to go into work, and I'm going to show you the spot. It's a pull-through. So what was really nice about that is, obviously, didn't have to back in or anything. Not a big deal. This is kind of nice. That's a nice one there. But yeah, here's the site. And it's number 179. The water pressure is the highest I've ever seen anywhere. It is so high, and the flow also, as far as gallons per minute, incredible. We got the awning for the time being out, but I think that's going to change here in a little bit because this rain is supposed to get a little bit heavier, and we might have some wind. The awning hasn't been out for a long time though, but you can see they just got little trails here that come straight up off of our site. And these trees are really cool. They're all twisty, and some of them look like a kid's jungle gym. I would imagine that there's been a lot of visitors to this park. Alright, so I'm not going to go very far because Heidi needs my help there. But you can see off in the distance, maybe, the bridge. There's a bridge way out there. Again, I know this camera's not set up for that, but basically the beach is right over that way. So we'll look at that a little bit later, but I wanted to give you guys some sort of an update. The internet here is okay. Electricity is extremely good. It's nice here. It's really pleasant. I thought that when Heidi said, oh, I want to go camping, and she said something about Myrtle Beach, and I thought that's an awful long ways to drive, and we've never been to Virginia Beach. So I thought, all right, let's try that out. And then I seen the temperatures were supposed to be relatively warm, and surprising, they are. Not like at home. There ain't no fear of anything freezing, that's for sure. So I'm going to let you guys go. Stay tuned for the next installment, and as always, we hope to see you out there. Bye.